Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 Dynamic SE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian grey satin paint. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 23-inch 5 split-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing against the satin Carpathian grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony Windsor leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your infotainment system, you have your navigation, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. You also have your 4x4 information, along with terrain response drive modes, adjustable ride height, and of course your wade sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. Further helping with this is the off-road feature on the camera, and of course you also have a 3D view, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Taking a look at the front seats now, you can find that they are both heated, ideal for those colder days, ensuring that you always stay warm and comfortable no matter what. And pairing with this is a dual zone climate control, where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on the Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 Dynamic SE. It's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.